although the Apology is duplicated by Xenophon, minus the irony, apparently. I don't know how that happens, but somehow if you leave the irony out of the Platonic version of the Apology, you get Xenophon's version of it. But the dialogues are clearly opportunities to teach by using almost like a play, so that people could watch this dialogue occurring and come away just as confused as everybody else. And I mean, for Socrates, that was a goal, to realize that we don't know. Whereas Plato clearly thought he had answers to everything. And we'll see how that impacts us as we go. Any questions? Quiz question. How about this? Does the Earth go around the sun, or does the sun go around the Earth?
Well, when does the sun go around?
Yes?
Earth goes around the sun.
The Earth goes around the sun.
We're moving in a bit of a helix, because our entire solar system is orbiting around Sagittarius A star.
Let's see.
In multiple orbits at once.
And then that galaxy is orbiting around like our local cluster, and that is orbiting around something else, etc.
It's not orbiting us.
Well, we'll think about this next class a little bit. But if you look at NASA's depiction of the motion of the solar system, right? The solar system is moving along in the direction of Orion. And so all the planets are kind of moving along. And so if you look at the pattern, none of the planets are going around the sun. They're kind of traveling along with the sun.
What's a helix?
Well, orbits
helix.
relative. Earth orbits relative around the sun.
Can you send an email with that answer?
Yes, just like the Ten Commandments. If you haven't sent me the Ten Commandments quiz, please feel free. You can send it to me. At the end of the semester, I take all your emails and I put them in a flash drive and I weigh it.
Does it have to be a certain way?
No, as long as you like. Because it's actually an interesting question than it seems.
You think I agree?
You too. Thank you. Yes.
Where do you go after class again? The department?
Upstairs.
Yeah, upstairs.
So upstairs, down that end of the hall, we own the whole end.
I see.
So that's where I'm headed.
All right. I think I'm going to meet you there. I have a few things I want to discuss.
Cool.
I just thought I'd say hi from my mom.
Oh, you're Ben.
I am Ben, yes. Nice to meet you. I never know which
I
professors
did
know.
look you up. I looked up, I saw a video, I guess you made at Chubiak High School,
Mhm.
which you had much longer hair.
Was it my Everything Sock video?
Yes.
We got extra credit on that. It was interesting.
Cool.
It was like a fun assignment that did. Just come up with, try to sell a product, anything.
Well, I saw your name and I went, Kingo, that's clearly
Yeah. Well,
the
it was,
person I know.
I'm looking forward to the rest of your
I haven't
class.
met your dad, but yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it is history.
Yeah.
The commandments are